Advance gift to baby
Nag-unboxing kami. This is my gift to my grandson. Oh, yeah. Gift na ko kay RR. Advance gift na ko kay RR. Unboxing! Wow! This is for you, baby. My advance birthday to you. Mo na ha. Birthday gift na ko na sa mga. Okay, unboxing.
Excited na ako mamala.
Wow! 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 This is... What is this? Wow! Wow! Mali ako regalo kay RR. This is PLC washing machine. Ano ko regalo si Manak? Washing machine.
Excited na ikaw ...
Regalo si mo ha. Washing machine na ha. Wow! Real gift ni RR. Happy birthday RR. Happy birthday RR. This is for you, baby. My big gift is washing machine. Yay! Wow!
Well, thank you, Mamala.
Wala is washing machine. Tara, are you happy, baby? Are you happy? Huh? Happy ka na? Naka-get? Naka-get si RR? Wow! Say hi. Thank you, God. Hi! Happy? Yay! Advance gift ni Mama, ha? This is your gift. Washing machine. Yay! Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.